Hi, I'm Alex, and I have the distinct privilege of teaching you how to add images and GIFs to your flowchart in Trainual. First off, if you didn't know, you can actually add a flowchart to any subject in Trainual with our new flowchart creation tool by just simply going down to this little drop down and changing it from topic to flowchart. And then you add a quick title and you get taken right to our creation tool. So let's jump into a flowchart that I built just a moment ago about how you might prepare a new employee for their first day. It goes over, hey, what the employee needs to know the night before, their first day. It shows just a few basic steps. Not super exciting, but it gets right to the point. With the ability to add images and GIFs, you can really customize it, personalize it, make it fun, dare I say? I do dare. And the way you can do that is by this new little button right here. This is how you add images and GIFs to your flowchart. So if you click on this, you can see you have the ability to upload an image or select a stock image or even add a GIF from the internet. So let's do that. Let's change this flowchart and make it a little bit more fun. You can see I've already done some of that right here and added some personality and some flair here. It's the same content here. I've added a couple of GIFs and a little decision points. Let's add some more. Let's go over here and gather your gear. Let's add an image from my local computer. Boom. Let's add this guy right here. You click add image. It adds it to the flowchart. You can, as you would expect, resize this guy. And let's add a GIF here for head into the office. Let's see here. You just type in what you're looking for. Boom. Let's add this guy. And just with a few changes, just with, a little bit of personality, a little bit of fun, I think you can really change flowcharts, make them much more engaging. Just look at the difference. You have this flowchart here compared to this one right here. I know which one I'd rather look at